आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cherry on the Top where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
I have this pillow cover. I bought it online few days back, but I don't know, I didn't like it because it was too shimmery and shiny. I thought of something else when I ordered it online. So I wanted to give it a new look because these silver colors are like shining so much and I am not at all liking it. So I thought of giving it a new look. So for that, what I am going to need is this black color yarn, and I'm going to use this on this pillow cover. And this is a blunt head needle, so if you can see, it is a blunt head, and the hole where we put thread into, that hole is also a little bit bigger so that we can use a yarn. So I started it from the back and I just put my needle from the back side and I took it out, and I'm again repeating the same and putting it through the same hole, and then I'm pulling it. And now I'm putting this needle inside the circle which we just formed, and it kind of formed a knot here. So this stitch which we are doing now, this is called a blanket stitch. So I am using a blanket stitch for this pillow. So I want these stitches to be even, so I'm using my hand just for the measurement, and I'm using my fingertip. The reason I chose this black color yarn because it would kind of like break that silver color, though it is from the borders or from the edges, but it would kind of break that silver color and it is going to look something nice. Because on from the borders also it is looking really shimmery and it do not have kind of any dimension. So I thought of this change. So you need to cover that corner nicely so that it won't look odd. So if you can see, I'm covering it this way. So it gave a nice dimension to that corner. And now I have these tassels, black color yarn tassels, which I made just now, but I couldn't shoot it. So I'm going to tell you how I made it. So I took this piece of cardboard and it is like 7.5 centimeter, and I also took this silk yarn. So just to tell you how I made these tassels, black color tassels, I'm doing this. So I'm wrapping this silk yarn with this cardboard piece around 30 times. So the tassels which I made, if you want that kind of thickness, so you can wrap it around like 30 times, but if you want more fluffier tassel, then you need to wrap it around like 50 to 60 times. So I did it 30. So now I took a piece of yarn and I'm just tying the knot in the center. And now I'm taking it out. So I tied the knot here. It is really slippery because it is a silk yarn, so it's going quite difficult. And now I'm wrapping another piece of yarn here. It's time to give it a haircut, so I'm just cutting it. So our tassel is ready. So this is the way how I made these black color tassels. I'm not going to use this one, but just to show you how I made this, I gave it like a kind of a demo. So if you see, I made these 4 tassels, the black color tassels, and I kept the yarn which is in the top, these yarn. So I kept it a little bit long because I want to stitch it to the pillow cover. So now I put it through this blended needle. Now I'm going to stitch it on the corners. So on the corners I'm stitching it. So I put it through the corner and then I'm pulling it from inside. So once that is done, I'm going to tie a knot from the inside. So I pulled that yarn and I'm removing this needle and I'm going to tie a knot here. So 1, 2, 2, 3 knots will be fine. And I'm repeating the same with the other corners also. I'm doing the same thing. So here I'm done. Just kept it simple. If you want, you guys can add a patch just in the middle of it, or you can add some vertical lines. And please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.